Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make an easy double-sided envelope using this set of free printables. This type of double envelope can be inserted into your junk journals and used for storing ephemera and other types of printables. The papers used to make the double envelope coordinate with the Victorian Herbarium paper pack, and you can find a link to all these printables in the description below this video. To get started, print the pages onto cardstock, then make creases along the tabs, flaps and centre sections using the printed lines as guides. Then cut out the pieces and press the creases with a bone folder. To make the two buttons, glue 3 circles together, one on top of the other. Then make a hole in the centre of each button using a bookbinding awl and push through a small metal brad fastener. You can touch up the edges using an ink pad and applicator. On the inside section of the envelope, measure down about 2 inches from the top edge of each side and make a mark in the centre using a pencil. Then make a hole using an awl. Push the brad fastener through and fold open the prongs. Measure across each of the flaps and make a pencil mark along the centre. Using an eyelet setter, punch a small hole over the pencil mark and attach an eyelet to each of the flaps. Apply glue or double-sided tape along the tabs, then attach the front section to the back section, one side at a time. Loop a short piece of cording through each of the holes in the flap and wrap it around the button. To insert the envelope into your junk journal, you can sew it in if you're making a journal with sewn signatures, or simply slip it under the wraparound cord of a no-sew journal.